Adams Polish's Graphene VRT is a dressing intended to be used on trim such as plastic, vinyl, or rubber trim, and also tires. The look that Graphene VRT will give those surfaces is a nice, rich, dark, OEM matte finish. Unlike many dressings, Graphene VRT is a water-based formula, and once it goes onto the surface, it will not feel greasy or oily. It is completely dry to the touch. Some dressings do not contain a protection agent inside the formula. Graphene VRT has reduced graphene oxide in it, giving it a robust protection agent, protecting it from UV rays from the sun, as well as inclement weather. Ideal surfaces for Graphene VRT to go on are things like this bed rail. Engine, if you cleaned your engine and you're wanting to dress it and make it look perfect, Graphene VRT is going to be the product for that. Also, rubber trim on your windowsills. Another really great place to put Graphene VRT is going to be the cowl. It's where your windshield meets your hood, and that plastic piece is exposed to the sun on a day-to-day, so it fades really quick. This is going to bring back that rich color on that plastic and also give it the robust graphene protection from those UV rays. Now, to apply Graphene VRT, it's very simple. You take one of these block applicators. We're going to put just a little bit of the VRT on here, and we're going to rub this in. If you don't rub this in, it goops up everywhere. It is just better to rub this in with your finger, okay? Now, all you need to do is you go through and you apply this to whatever surface, to whatever trim surface that you want to make look amazing again. While you're applying this, if you get this on the paint or the glass, it comes off very easily. Take your favorite quick detailer, AKA detail spray, spray a nice mist of detail spray, and then take a plush towel that is safe for wiping paint down and simply wipe it away. If you're looking for an OEM matte finish for your trim and your tires, Graphene VRT is the ideal dressing, not only dressing your trim and tires, but protecting it from the UV rays and inclement weather.